Well, hello folks out there in YouTube land. Got a big show lined up for you. Let's get right on into it. All right, let's pull up that screen. Oh, Cybl, Cyberlux, WT freaking F. What is going on with this stock promotion signal on the OTC markets? Let's get into what the heck's going on with it. All right, so CYBL is down today about 10%, and I couldn't figure out exactly what's going on. I just noticed it on my E-Trade. I was like, why would it be down 10%? Because my other OTC stocks are pretty much okay. And it turns out there's a new signal on the OTC markets called, there's a promotion that's on there, and let me show you what that is. All right, we already know about the Pink Limited, and we've talked a lot about that. And now we see something called stock promotion. Let's look that up. This is a new one on me. I hadn't seen stock promotion. It says OTC markets designates a security with a promotion flag when it becomes aware of current stock promotion related to the issuer. The promotion flag remains on the security for 15 days following the end of the stock promotion. For more information, please see our policy on stock promotion. Okay, now here it talks about that. It says timely disclosure of material information is fundamental to efficient trading markets. Public availability of adequate current information is core principle of the OTC disclosure-based philosophy. Reputable public companies are expected to release quickly to the public any news or information which might reasonably be expected to materially affect the market. Management of a public company also has responsibility to dispel unfounded rumors, misinformation, or false statements, misleading, etc. It says social networks and online media sites have created new ways for public companies to interact or connect with potential investors. Digital marketing has made it easier for investor relation professionals to reach millions of investors, but technology can also be abused by anonymous market manipulators for fraudulent promotional campaigns that harm the integrity of the public markets. This policy describes how OTC markets is working to establish best practices, improve market transparency, and better address the problem of stock promotion. And then it goes on through there, and you can read that whole thing yourself, but it goes on through it. All right, so now we've got a yield sign, and we've got this promotion sign that'll be there for 15 days till the end of the promotion. And I'm wondering what the promotion is. I did see two articles that were identical, basically, from two different online platforms, and let's take a look at those. And understand, I do not know that this is the promotion they're talking about. Let me make that clear. This is speculation. This is what people are talking about online. I do not know this for certain. This would appear to be what they're maybe talking about, but like I said, I'm not 100%. So I'm going to put the speculation up there because I don't know for sure, but this is my guess. It says new deals, acquisitions, a share repurchase program, and best-in-class software solutions put Cyberlux stock in play. And then it goes on, talks about it, how it may be consolidating at the low end, but don't be misled. This company is better positioned than ever to drive its share price. And really, it's a very bullish article. Talks about the fact they expect to do 44 million, and they have made that clear several times in other articles that I've seen. But this one, I guess, is maybe just a little bit too bullish for them or something. I don't know. This is considered, I guess, third party. But then there's another article, and this one's by Market Screener, and it's the same, and it's basically the same article. Cyberlux stock may be consolidating low end, but don't be misled, etc. You know, it's the same article, and it's very bullish. So I think that's what they're talking about, and maybe it's too bullish or it's too promotional. I don't know. That would appear to be what it is. But like I say, not 100% on that. The stock itself is sitting right on that support that we've talked about, which is right at about 1 penny, right on the nose, and it's kind of sitting right on there. And this is a little buying zone that I was adding, and realize I practice a 10% rule. I only put 10% of my portfolio in OTC stocks, and this is kind of the reason why, because you just never know what you're going to get with penny stocks. I still very much like this company, and I'm going to hold my position, but this is frustrating because, you know, I thought we were going to be working away from the yield sign, and I assume they are. I've seen their amended quarterly report and the attorney letter that's attached to it. So I felt like we were working away from that yield sign and getting pink current back to where it needs to be. But now we've got this promotion thing for 15 days. So the shorts are going to have fun with that, to say the least. And let's take a look at that short volume. As you can see, this thing really spiked up on the first. I didn't even notice that, but it's up to 48%. So you got a lot of short volume on there. I'm going to be very interested to see what it is today. I will not be able to see that till tomorrow, but it went from 10% to 48%. So the shorts are obviously trying to push this stock down. So be aware of that. Got some manipulation going on for sure. Because look, they went from 1 million shares to 7 million shares from one day to the next. So that's quite a bit of short volume. You've got a lot of manipulation going on there. And these are probably day traders trying to make a quick buck. It's what they do. And like I say, it's sitting right on that support. It's sitting exactly on it. You can see where it hit right here at 1, and it's sitting right here at 1. So, I mean, it's right smack dab on it. And it really needs to hold that. If it does not, your next support is right at 8 cents, just right at 8, maybe just a little below it. So that's important when it comes to the charting. So hopefully the company will come out and speak to this. Like I say, this is clearly what caused this stock to drop today by 10%. And it says this security is currently undergoing promotional activity. So I don't know how bad that really is. I mean, they're basically just letting you know that, hey, they're promoting this thing, is I think what they're saying. I don't think it's up to the level of yield, but this is the first time I've seen this stock promotion thing on any stock that I've owned. All right, folks, and that's Cybl today. This wasn't a big, long video. It was just, I saw there was just a ton of questions about this, and I thought, and I've been doing some digging on it to try to get to the details of it. And like I said, I think that's what's going on with it. But, just be aware of it. And like I say, it's your money. You do as you please. If this makes you uncomfortable, you do what's best for you. I'm going to hold, but, realize I don't have a huge position on this. So, it's easy for me to say. But you do what's best for you. And hopefully this will get worked out over the next 15 days, and this won't wind up being a huge deal. But like I say, time will tell on that. If you like this, I know you probably don't like this content, and I don't either. So, but if you want to hit the like button, you certainly can. And if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. I'd appreciate it. I don't like bringing the negative stuff, but that's, on this channel, I'm going to tell you the good and the bad. It's just kind of how I do. So sorry if you don't like it. I don't like it either. And we'll see you next time on Mr. Frugal Investor.